Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our presentation. Today, we are proud to introduce a medical device innovation from TVET Mara in collaboration with the Ministry of Health. We call it the Smart V Lite. This device is designed to revolutionize cervical cancer screening through advanced illumination technology. It is fully protected under MyIPO intellectual property rights, and its core mission is to enhance preventive healthcare standards.
The team. This brilliant innovation is the result of a strong collaboration, brought to you by the inventors from TVET Mara Suit, PN, Nur Haslina Binti Na, Tees, Mohammad Zubir, Ensik Asraf Iman, and Ensik Mohammad Shafiei, alongside Puan Norafida. They worked hand-in-hand with the Fuego GI team from the Suit District Health Office, led by Dr. Juan Anis, and strongly supported by Dr. Hafizuddin, the District Health Officer, along with dedicated healthcare staff, SN Roslinda, SN Hayati, and JM Farizana.
Let's look at the critical challenge we are facing today. Cervical cancer is the third most common cancer among women. Sadly, 40% of patients only realize they have it when it has reached a critical stage 3 or 4. While early screening like Pap Smears is highly recommended, it is plagued by clinical barriers. Based on our data, 23% of samples taken are inadequate, requiring patients to undergo repeat procedures. Not only does this waste time, taking 5 to 10 minutes per procedure, but local news clippings also show that many women avoid this test due to fear, discomfort, and embarrassment. Why are we getting these poor sample results? The answer lies in the systemic clinical gaps of current screening methods. Today, clinics use external floor lamps. These lamps are hard to position, take up space, and worse, they create shadow obstructions during the examination. This leads to poor visualization of the cervix. Furthermore, because of this clumsy setup, the procedure typically requires 2 healthcare staff, one to hold the light and one to do the sampling. Our 12-month data from 3 clinics in Bisut showed that 23% of samples collected this way lacked crucial endocervical cells. The solution: Smart V Lite. To solve this, we introduced the Smart V Lite. This is a compact, handheld, T-shaped device measuring just 6 by 4 centimeters. It is made from durable, rust-resistant, medical-grade stainless steel. What makes it special? It features integrated LED technology that provides direct, high-intensity illumination right at the point of examination. It attaches seamlessly to any standard speculum, completely eliminating shadow obstructions. Plus, it features a convenient, magnetic, and waterproof USB charging system. Transformation and prototype. The transformation is clear. Before Smart V Lite, we dealt with cumbersome floor lamps, shadow interference, and the need for 2 operators. After Smart V Lite, we achieve optimal lighting with 0 shadows, and the procedure can easily be done by just a single healthcare professional. Over time, we refined this product through 3 prototype phases, moving from PVC materials to the current robust, easily sterilizable stainless steel design. Clinical and operational outcomes. The clinical validation data is highly impressive. First, we reduced the procedure time by 50%. A screening now takes under 5 minutes. Second, we solved the workforce burden. It now only requires 1 staff member instead of 2. Most importantly, the inadequate sample rate dropped drastically from 23% to just 15%, translating to an 8% reduction in repeat testing. This efficiency led to a 44% increase in the number of samples processed. Let's talk about the economics. The Smart V Lite is incredibly cost-effective. The total production cost per unit is below 150 ringgit Malaysia, covering the LED, magnetic charger, battery, circuit board, and stainless steel body. Operationally, by reducing the number of repeat tests and saving manpower, this simple device saved the district clinics an estimated Rm 1,520 annually. It offers a significant return on investment. The impact on stakeholders has been overwhelmingly positive. From a survey of 150 patients, 99% reported feeling satisfied, highlighting enhanced comfort and increased confidence. For the healthcare providers, out of 27 professionals surveyed, 96% were very satisfied. They reported superior visibility, reduced procedural stress, and a much smoother workflow. This device doesn't just improve operations, it reduces patient anxiety and encourages more women to participate in screening programs. Rigorous implementation and measurable validation. Moving to our implementation phase on slides 23 and 24, we ensured a rigorous process from R&D all the way to clinical validation over a 12-month period. It's important to highlight the measurable leap in our yearly productivity here. By introducing Smart V-Lite, our sample processing capacity in the district surged from 1,008 samples to 1,455 samples a year, a solid 31% increase. This specific data, along with the positive feedback from our 150 patients and 27 medical staff, absolutely confirms the efficiency and quality gains we discussed earlier. Smart V-Lite is highly scalable and commercialization ready. Its target market spans across government hospitals, health clinics, LPPKN centers, and private clinics. But its utility doesn't stop at Pap Smears. This device also facilitates effective intrauterine contraceptive device, or IUCD, insertions, and enables precise tissue sampling for biopsies, with a 90% procedure compatibility rate. Safety validation and funding. We take safety and compliance seriously. The Smart V-Lite has received official safety declarations from both the Electrical Unit of Mara Skills Institute BSUT and the Occupational Health and Safety Unit of the BSUT District Health Office. Recognizing its massive potential, the project secured a development grant of Rm 157,550 under the Health White Paper agenda from the Ministry of Health Malaysia. Looking at the bigger picture, the estimated profit potential is substantial. With a target distribution to over 14,000 institutions across Malaysia, including rural clinics, private hospitals, and university hospitals, the projected overall profit margins showcase Smart V-Lite as a highly viable commercial medical product. Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs. Our innovation proudly supports the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals for SDG 3, good health and well-being. It directly improves early cancer detection. For SDG 9, industry, innovation, and infrastructure, it proves that local institutions can develop replicable healthcare technology. And for SDG 12, responsible consumption, its rechargeable, reusable, and durable design minimizes long-term medical resource wastage. Intellectual property and awards. The brilliance of Smart V-Lite has not gone unnoticed. It is legally protected with a voluntary notification of copyright from my IPO. Furthermore, it has won prestigious accolades, including the Gold Award and the Special Jury Award at the Malaysia Technology Expo, MTE, 2025, alongside recognition from the National Research Council of Thailand. Field testing and support. The product has already seen successful field replication through roadshows in multiple clinics like Klinik Kesehatan Jerte, Padang Lewis, and Jabi, as well as private setups like Hijrah Clinic. It has garnered full support from top management, including the Terengganu State Health Director and the Deputy Director General of Health Malaysia, proving its readiness for nationwide adoption. Conclusion. In conclusion, Smart V-Lite is an original, tested, and protected innovation. It is not just a lighting device, it is a comprehensive, life-saving solution that addresses real clinical challenges, supports national healthcare goals, and opens up significant commercial opportunities. Thank you for your time and attention. We would now be honored to answer any inquiries regarding Smart V-Lite and its potential for future collaboration.